These are the top 5 natural phenomena that can kill you in just seconds, and number 1 happens without any warning. But first, you'll have incredible luck if you like and subscribe before this video ends. Number 5. Rogue waves. Giant 100-foot walls of water that appear out of nowhere and swallow ships instantly. Number 4. Sneaker waves. Silent waves that rush up the beach, grab people and pull them straight into the ocean. Number 3. Pyroclastic flows. Superheated clouds of gas and ash racing down volcanoes at over 400 miles per hour. Number 2. Flash floods. A sudden wave of water that forms from heavy rain miles away. It can destroy roads, flip cars, and sweep people away in seconds. Number 1. Sinkholes. The ground collapses without warning, swallowing cars, houses, and entire streets. Comment which one scared you the most.